The distributive property. Here's our first example. There's a 4 and a mango. That means 4 times the mango. The answer would be 4 mangoes. And we would simply write 4 mangoes. But let's look at the types of math you will see in class and on quizzes and, of course, assignments. Here's our second example. That's a simple distributive property problem there. And we read this like the genie. 4 times the quantity 2x plus 3. It means we have 4 of those. Do you see how we have 4 quantities of 2x plus 3? This is that same example continued. We're going to see the answer this time. So again, we read it just like the genie. 4 times the quantity 2x plus 3. And the answer would be 8x plus 12. Because it's 4 times the 2x and 4 times that positive 3. We just multiply the 4 times each term in the parentheses. And that's your simplified answer. So we got another example. It'll work exactly the same way. Remember to keep that operation ahead of the 4. So this reads 3 times the quantity, 5y minus 4. Our answer is 15y minus 12. It's 3 times the 5y and 3 times a negative 4. Do it like that and you'll get these right every single time. Excuse me, I have another example for you. Sometimes there's more terms in the parentheses. It still works exactly the same way. So here we'd have 10m minus 20n plus 40. None of those are like terms. You cannot combine those. So that is your simplified answer. So if you can multiply correctly, I believe you can get these right just about every single time. Now it is your turn. Copy the expressions in your notebook, apply the distributive property, and write the simplified expressions. An answer key will follow for you. So your job is to distribute that 2, multiply times the quantity 4x plus 5y plus 6, and write your answer in your notebook. Of course, pause these as you go. Our next one is 3 times the quantity 4x minus 5y minus 6. And our scientist friend just wants you to multiply the 3 times each term in the parentheses and write your answer. I'm going to play some music now and let you work. Thank you so much for watching. sure hope you have all those right, or at least most of them. Or I'll allow a mistake or two once in a while. Thank you so much for watching.